Let's get into the video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kevin's KLS Vlogs, and as you can see title below, I'll be reacting to a Ronaldinho football video. I believe that this guy is the world's greatest football player ever. To me, he is. If you guys believe that there's another player out there and you think he's the greatest, come to the comment here below, and I will look for that player and create a reaction video on that player also. But for those who believe that he's the greatest player also, come to the comment here below. Ronaldinho, number one. Yeah. So, as I said before, this guy is an idol to me. He is the greatest player to me. He's one of the reasons I started playing soccer when I was about 15 years of age. He's the reason. This guy is fast. His skills are awesome. His goals are awesome. He's just awesome. You know what? I don't need to go in details. I'll show you guys the video. Let's dive right in. Oh yeah, I'm recording with my phone. Yeah. It took me a while to do that shit, but I did it. Look at this guy. Pure skills. Pure awesomeness. Brilliant play. Oh, if you hear me guys in stage and I start speaking patois, I'm sorry. This guy is too awesome. Yeah, patois is my local language. Oh damn! Oh, in Jamaica, we call that a pile or a flick. The thing that you flick the ball over the person, we call it a pile or a flick. Yeah. Come on, look at this. Speed, brilliant, fast moving, confusing players. Come on, great player. Oh shit! Dang! Jaja! Whoopsie! Jalo. Oh my god, another one. No. There are 3 guys on that nigga that now. 3 guys. Not 3 guys. On his chest. Come on, you guys must be ashamed of yourself. On his chest. Promise, you too? Dang. Okay, new boots. Oh, I saw this already. I saw this one. These guys, you are awesome. Look at what this guy want to do with this ball. Crossbar. Back. Oh, man. Again. I said, oh, shit, the keeper. I've seen this a couple of times, but it does still amaze me, man. This guy is pure awesomeness. Why, I was the guy who said that. Okay, let's continue. Nutmeg. Oh yeah, that thing what you guys call nutmeg in Jamaica we call it a salad. I don't know why. I was hearing guys saying it when I was a boy, so I was working with salad. Ah, nutmeg. Salad. Oh god. Ooh, damn. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Yeah, that's got a fire where I'm from. Whoopsie. Oh shit. Oh shit. He cut one of his clothes just now. Dang. Hey boy, come on, put up. Hey boy, don't jump, don't jump. Oh, look at this guy's feet. Look at that. Look at this. Whoopsie. Oh my god. Whoopsie. Speed. Yeah. This guy passes. This guy plays about everybody's body. Everything the ants. Because ants are illegal in this sport. Oh shit, this guy can't be stopped. I don't know, but every time I watch this guy, he just keep on amazing me. Like for real. This guy is a complete entertainer. Complete. This guy dances, he plays football, and it's always oh my god. I don't know what I'm saying. This guy's always smiling. Look at his smile. A great smile. This guy's always smiling. No matter if you're losing, winning, he's always smiling. Come on, this guy's a complete package. Okay, there is nothing else there. Nothing else there. Look at it. You don't need no more proof, no more evidence. This guy is the world's greatest football player ever lived. Like for real. No Neymar, no Messi, no Cristiano Ronaldo can compare to this nigga. Come on, I'm not overreacting or overdoing it. It's fact is right here. You never seen none of those players doing this shit. Never. Neymar's trying to think. He's trying to get there, but he's not as awesome as Ronaldinho, man. Neymar, I love you, nigga. For real, you're my one of my favorite players. You come right after Ronaldinho, but Ronaldinho, you're the best. As a boy growing up, I wanted to play with Ronaldinho. That was one of my dreams to play with Ronaldinho when I get older. But my football career kind of ended. I said to myself, at least I want to juggle at least juggle a football with that, just passing the ball to each other. That is my dream right now. Hopefully he's not too old when I get that trophy. Yeah. Even then he can do it. He's better than me. This guy is so awesome. Come on, guys. What more? Look at that kind of fool. What more evidence do you guys need? This guy is pure awesomeness. Look at Ramos again. Why always Ramos? Oh, it's there. Okay, not always Ramos. He's the only one I recognize. Come on, dude. Attack the ball, man. You afraid? Nani. Oh shit! No! You guys see that? You guys see that? No. You're not the only one who just saw that, right? Show you. Look at this shit. Oh, look at this shit. Oh! But it's in! Okay. There's no more arguments. You guys need to come in the comment here below and spam Ronaldinho. Spam Ronaldinho number 1 right now. Right at this moment. Come on. And I want to spell the like button. Like that. Like this video. Come on. There's no, you don't need no more evidence. This guy's awesome. Oh shit. Korean. Upper body strength. Upper body strength. This guy's a crane. Come on. What I love about footballers, they have great leg strength. Look how that ball is high in the back of that net. Leg strength, the power up of footballers' leg. Imagine you can kick that in your face. You gotta be careful. Oh, come on. Oh, that have more curl in my head, man. Look. Look at that curl! No curl in my head! He's gotta chip the ball in the back of the net. He tripped the ball. He's gotta keep it. Poor thing. Well, maybe expect it. Yeah. Come on. These footballers have some curl in their foot. You have one there. Wow. Damn. What? Weird. Look at one. Wait, what on? Like free keeper the ball in front of your G. And the ball pass and eat that boy. Oh, eat that keeper, yeah. No, well, I didn't have G still, so. Look out for the kill and you weirdo. Mado. Watch out. Back pass. Brilliant. No look pass. Brilliant. Jesus Christ, man. Oh my word, you know. Turn up your foot, yo. When there is a man there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jesus Christ. Number 7. Oopsie. Good turn, yo. Not mad, sad. Heel pass. Look how this guy go fast, my move, man. No, dog. No, brother, very G. I love this nigga. Yo, that was stash. Ooh, nice basic, bro. Nice basic. Ooh, that's better than the first one. Damn, in his chest. And, oh shit, good timing. I love that one. Oh shit, he put one into this guy's head. Come on. Ronaldinho! Come on, this guy is brilliant. It's about 23 yards out, man. If I'm correct, but dang. Not you. Good touch. Chip. Come on, this guy is so untouchable. Like for real. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, I'm Kevin. This is KLS Vlogs. Remember to please like and comment here below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can be notified whenever I get upload a new video. Remember, guys, please comment here below if you think Ronaldinho is the greatest footballer, and if you don't, comment here below the footballer that you think is the greatest footballer in the world. So As for I'm Kevin, it's KLS Vlogs, and I'm out. Peace!